Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Mr. Huang, the chairman of Rayandra International. Congratulations for Rayandra and congratulations as well for this great event. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to say thank you for this great opportunity to present the Indonesian National Strategic Project called Batang Integrated Industrial Estate. Ladies and gentlemen, some people say that seeing is believing. That's why before I start the presentation, let me show you the progress update of Batang Integrated Industrial Estate. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when you come up to the idea to invest in Indonesia, we believe that there's so much consideration. As you can see on the picture, the Indonesian government always commit and keep improving the investment policy and the investment climate in Indonesia. So nowadays, the Indonesian government gives so many incentive to the investor to come to Indonesia. Furthermore, if you targeted Indonesia as a market, this is gonna be very interesting because Indonesia, number 4th populated country in the world. So nowadays, our population is more than 270 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if we talk about the population, more than 50% of the population Indonesia is living in Java Island. 3 until 5 years ago, the investment destination in Java Island is in Greater Jakarta. So in Jakarta and the West Java. But nowadays, the land price and also the availability of the land in Greater Jakarta is very limited. That's why the Indonesian government create the new investment corridor in Central Java. So the land price in Central Java is still competitive and the labor cost also more than half compared with Greater Jakarta. Ladies and gentlemen, on 2020, the Indonesian government create national strategic project developed for 1,300 hectares in Central Java called Batang Integrated Industrial Estate. So this industrial estate is fully supported by the government and state-owned enterprise as well. So where's the Batang location? Batang is just 60 kilometers from Semarang. Semarang is the capital city of Central Java. So the Batang connected directly to the highway, to the Semarang, and near from the airport and near from the seaport as well. Now the government also built the port inside the estate, so next year you can enjoy the port inside the estate as well. So we believe that the connectivity is very important in terms of the logistic cost. So ladies and gentlemen, this picture shows how we develop the area. This one is 4,300 hectares divided into 3 clusters. The cluster 1, now we are focusing on the cluster 1, 3,100 hectares. The location is sea view, but the level of the land, the minimum is 40 meters. So you don't worry to flood or everything because the minimum level is 40 meters. So ladies and gentlemen, we proud also to announce that within 3 years from 2021 until 2024, the government finished everything for the infrastructure and the utilities. And until 2024, there are more than 20 companies that already invest in Grand Batang City from around the world. And we proud also because more than 50% is coming from China. So this is the whole infrastructure and the utilities that already built by the government. There are the facility for the wastewater treatment plant, the water treatment plant, the electricity, the natural gas, and everything. So you just need to focus on your business. We are going to set up everything. So ladies and gentlemen, we believe that nowadays we are very concerned about the environmental aspect. So Grand Batang City already got the platinum certificate for the green ship neighborhood. So we are really concerned as well for the environmental and also the green aspect. So last but not least, I would like to say that the Indonesian government not taking profit of the land. So the aim of this project is not selling the land. The aim of this project is to get more investor and absorption of the workers. That's why the Indonesian government gives special scheme of the land. So you can purchase the land until 77 years. This is the longest, one of the longest period to purchase the land in Indonesia. And the term of the payment is very competitive. So you only need pay the down payment and the remaining payment are going to pay on the 5th year. So that's all from us. Thank you so much. Terima kasih.